My banana muffins are in the oven. They're baking. I've been using Swerve. I have here a glass of unsweet tea with ice. I'm going to try a little bit of Swerve in this tea to see if I like it. I'm not sponsored. I wanted to give this a try though. Let's put a big old tablespoon in. I like it sweet. I'm Southerner. We normally use 2 cups of sugar per gallon. I used 1 tablespoon. Let's give it a stir. Will it dissolve? Mosquito! Stop the camera. Stop the camera. Will this Swerve dissolve and will it be any good? It looks like it's doing a good job. Normal sugar in cold tea, you're gonna have to stir it, shake it, give it a few minutes to dissolve. How does the Swerve do in the cold tea? This is a test, Swerve. This is a test. All right, it's dissolving pretty good, but let me just taste of it in the tea. I get a sweetness to it. It's all right, it's not fully dissolved. I will try this in my video a little bit later when I'm tasting the banana muffins. Come back and I will taste this again. I'm going to let it dissolve. We're going to find out how this is. Be sure to check out that banana video, banana bread video. Let's find out how the Swerve tastes in my iced tea when it's fully dissolved. I'm Ransom Ryder. Come hang out with me. The journey in the kitchen is so much better when you share it with friends. Bye, bye. Swerve, I'm not sponsored, but I wanted to give it a try. Come hang out with me.